All right. So I recently needed to add columns to a Google Doc. So I'm going to walk you through how I did that. Very, very easy process. I'm going to give you two options. One that keeps the title, if you have a title, full width, like you see on the screen, but also we can make it so that the title is in one of the columns. So I'm going to just hit Control Z here. This is a copy that I'm working with. What you're going to do, if you just start typing, we're going to type everything that we have that we want to be in the columns first, and then we'll apply the column styling. And first, we're just going to add the title with the columns, okay? So to do this, we're going to go to Format, and then Columns, and then select two columns, and you can see that the title is inside of one of the columns. We can also choose three columns here. Don't have enough text for three columns, but the third column would be right there. And we can also go back to two, and go back to more options. And if we wanted to edit that here, we could do that. So currently have 1/2 of an inch between the columns. Maybe I want to add 0.25 to make it closer, and I'll put a line in between the two. And you'll see that that applied. So I'm going to back out of these, and now I'm going to show you how to keep the title full width, but create the columns below. And to do that, just select the copy that you want to be in the columns. And we will just go to columns again, boom, and you'll see that that is now two columns with the full width title. And again, we can do this for three columns, and we can make this go back to two columns. We can, tweak how we want this. So maybe I want it at 0.2 with the line, and I'll apply. And that is how we're going to work with columns inside of Google Docs. So I hope this helps, guys. If it does, if you have any other questions, please drop them into the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.